Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is beta second kind distribution. In this topic, we are going to learn definition of beta second kind distribution and mean and variance of beta second kind distribution. In the previous lectures, we have already learned beta first kind distribution. Now we shall start with the definition of beta second kind distribution. A continuous random variable x is said to follow beta second kind distribution, then its PDF is given by fx is equal to 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n for x greater than equal to 0 and parameter mn positive, and this is 0 otherwise, means the probability density function is 0 for the range 0 to minus infinity. It is denoted as x follow beta 2 m and n. Now we shall start with mean of beta second kind distribution. If x is beta 2 with parameter m and n, then the mean of beta second kind is defined as integration minus infinity to infinity x into fx dx. As the range of random variable x is 0 to infinity, so it is integration 0 to infinity x into fx dx. We shall substitute the value of PDF, then integration 0 to infinity x into 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Now I shall take 1 upon beta mn constant, then we get expected value of x is equal to 1 by beta mn integration 0 to infinity x raised to m divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Now to calculate the integral, we shall take the help of beta integral. Let me write the beta integral which we have learned in the subject mathematics. I will refer only the result of beta integral, not we are going to discuss the details of beta integral. Let me write integration 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx is equal to beta mn. The value of this integral is beta mn. We will use this integral in the beta second kind distribution to obtain each and every integration. So students are requested to understand and keep in mind this integration, beta integration, in order to simplify our derivation easily. Now comparing this equation with integration of equation number 1, we get, I will rearrange the equation 1 as expectation x is equal to 1 upon beta mn integration 0 to infinity x raised to m plus 1 minus 1. I am arranging our integration in the form of beta integral given in equation 2 in order to write down the value of integration divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus 1 plus n minus 1 dx. I have adjusted 1 in the numerator and similarly plus and minus 1 in the power of 1 plus x in the denominator. And by comparing equation 3 with equation 2, we get beta m plus 1 comma n minus 1. We will simplify these beta with the help of relation between beta and gamma function. So what is the expected value? Expectation x equal to beta m plus 1 n minus 1 divided by beta m n. Now we know that there is a relation between beta and gamma function. Beta m n equal to beta m gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. We will use this relation, then we get gamma m plus 1 gamma n minus 1 upon gamma m plus n. Similarly, gamma m multiplied by gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. This gamma m plus n get cancelled. We are left with gamma m plus 1 gamma n minus 1 divided by gamma m gamma n. Now in the next step we will expand the higher gamma m plus 1 and gamma n in order to cancel the lower gammas. So, and for that we have the relation. What is that? Gamma n equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1. All these relations are discussed in more detail in the beta first kind distribution. If student want to learn that chapter, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. After using this reduction formula, we get m into gamma m gamma n minus 1 divided by gamma m into n minus 1 gamma n minus 1. Now gamma m get cancelled. Similarly, gamma n minus 1 get cancelled. We are left with expectation x is equal to m divided by n minus 1. Hence mean equal to m upon n minus 1. This is the value of mean of beta second kind distribution, and which is m upon n minus 1. I hope the students are understand how to obtain the value of mean with the help of PDF of beta second kind. If students have some query, then please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. Now we shall continue with the next point, variance of beta second kind distribution. If x is beta second kind with parameter m and n, then its variance is defined as variance x equal to expectation x square minus expectation of x bracket square. We have already calculated the expectation of x. I shall put the value of expectation x as m upon n minus 1 bracket square. Now we shall consider the expectation of x square. Expectation x square is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x square into fx dx, since x is a continuous random variable. As the range of x is 0 to infinity, which is equal to integration 0 to infinity x square into fx dx. Now let us substitute the value of PDF. We get expectation x square is equal to integration 0 to infinity x square 1 upon beta m n x raised to m upon 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Now let me take the constant 1 upon beta m n outside the integral. 1 upon beta m n integral 0 to infinity x raised to m plus 2 upon 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx. Now to obtain the value of this integral, we compare this integral with beta integral as given in the equation number 2. Now let me rearrange the integral, then we will compare. 1 upon beta m n integration 0 to infinity x raised to m plus 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to m plus 2 plus n minus 2. Here we adjust x raised to something minus 1, and in the denominator 1 plus x raised to plus 2 and minus 2 in order to compare this equation 4 with equation number 2. After comparing equation 2 and 4, we get beta m plus 2 comma n minus 2 divided by beta m n. Now we shall simplify this expectation x square with the help of beta and gamma function. So it is expected value of x square is equal to gamma m plus 2 gamma n minus 2 divided by gamma m plus n divided by gamma m gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Gamma m plus n, gamma m plus 1 get cancelled. We are left with only gamma m plus 2 gamma n minus 2 divided by gamma m gamma n. Now we use the reduction formula. Gamma n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1 to reduce the higher gammas, gamma m plus 2 and gamma n, to cancel the lower gamma m and gamma n minus 2. Since this gamma m plus 2 is more 2 then the gamma m, we reduce it twice. So it is m plus 1 m gamma m and gamma n minus 2 divided by gamma m. I shall also reduce gamma n twice. So it is n minus 1 n minus 2 gamma n minus 2. Gamma n minus 2 gamma n minus 2 cancel, gamma m cancel. So we get expectation of x square as m plus 1 divided by n minus 1 n minus 2. This is the value of expectation of x square. Now we shall substitute this value in variance to obtain the value of variance. Variance x equal to m plus 1 divided by n minus 1 n minus 2 minus m square divided by n minus 1 bracket square. We will take the constant m by n minus 1 common. We get m plus 1 upon n minus 1 n minus 2 minus m upon n minus 1. By taking LCM, we get m plus 1 n minus 1 minus m into n minus 2 divided by n minus 1 n minus 2. After simplifying, we get m upon n minus 1 square n minus 2 into bracket m n minus m plus n minus 1 minus mn plus 2. Here mn get cancelled, so which is equal to m into, therefore the variance x is equal to m into m plus n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 bracket square into n minus 2. This is the variance of beta second kind distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is beta second kind distribution and its definition. Further, we obtain the mean and variance from the PDF of beta second kind distribution. Hence, in this way, we learn the beta second kinds mean and variance. In the previous lectures, we have already taken many more concepts from the statistics subject. If student want to learn all the subject, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all topic playlist are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.